Getting a hole in your tire can be stressful, but the good news is that you can often fix it yourself. There are simple methods to plug a tire hole and fix leaks quickly and safely. First, look for the hole in the tire. You may see a nail or something stuck in it. Use pliers to gently pull out the object, like a nail, from the tire. Be careful and try not to let too much air escape too quickly. Then, push the reamer tool in and out of the hole a few times to clean and slightly enlarge it. Take one plug strip from your kit. It looks like a sticky rubber rope. Push it halfway through the eye of the insertion tool so that both sides are even. Apply some rubber cement to the strip if your kit includes it. Now, push the insertion tool with the strip into the hole in the tire. It may take some force. Push it in until only a small part of the plug is sticking out. Then, pull the tool straight out quickly. This will leave the plug inside the tire. Use a knife to cut off the extra part of the plug sticking out of the tire. Leave about 1/2 inch showing. This small piece will flatten as you drive. Now, the plug is fully in place, and your tire is temporarily repaired. In another method, if a nail or screw is stuck in the tire, use pliers to carefully pull it out. Try not to let all the air escape at once. Next, use the reamer tool to clean and slightly widen the hole. Push the tool in and out several times to smooth the inside of the puncture. This helps the mushroom plug fit better and seal tightly. Take one mushroom plug from your kit. It looks like a small rubber plug with a round head and a stem. Insert the mushroom plug into the special tool that comes with the kit. This tool holds the plug in place and helps push it through the hole. Push the insertion tool into the hole until the mushroom head goes inside the tire. This may take some effort. Once the plug is in place, slowly pull the tool back out. The head of the mushroom plug will stay inside the tire, while the stem seals the hole from the outside. Check the plug from the outside. The stem should be sticking out slightly. If needed, trim off any extra rubber using a knife. Then, use a tire pump or air compressor to refill the tire. Use a tire pressure gauge to check that the air level is correct. You can now drive on the tire. But remember, a plug is usually a temporary fix. It is best to visit a tire shop soon to have the tire professionally inspected, repaired, or replaced. By using these simple and effective methods and products, you can easily plug a hole in a tire yourself.